Hello everybody, welcome to the Creative Grassroots Garden. I'm Jen, and today I just wanted to share a quick update on my beautiful banana tree. It's officially one day away from spring, and my beautiful banana tree made it through the winter. Now that the banana plant is producing new healthy leaves, the older leaves are beginning to die off. So I'm going to go ahead and give this plant a healthy pruning. Pruning the banana tree helps the plant focus on producing fruit, and helps the plant put all of its energy towards new growth. Banana plants are made up of approximately 93% water, so do not be alarmed when pruning. Like I always say, you're not harming the plant, you're only encouraging more growth. All of the pruned banana leaves will all be saved for compost. Towards the bottom of the banana tree, I have 2 new banana pubs that started growing. The pubs will then grow into a whole new banana tree. And that's it, you guys. I just wanted to share a quick update of the progress of my banana tree. If you're new to my channel, make sure you tap that subscribe button to stay updated with easy gardening tips and creative ideas. I'm Jen from the Creative Grassroots Garden. Have a good day. I'll see y'all next time.